Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back. This is Mrs. Nardone. I hope everyone had a great time off and you were able to relax and have some fun. Today in phonics, we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be practicing long E vowel teams, EE and EA. Now, if you remember, they both sound the same. They both say E. So this is going to give you some practice and with some words to help you remember, does it have EE or EA? So what we're going to do is we're going to do this with some Google Slides, and I'm going to show you how. So the first thing you're going to do is to take your arrow, and you want to click on slide number 2. And you'll see this pops up. Choose the correct long E vowel team for each word. Drag the correct box to complete the word. So the first letters here, we have S, H, and a T. Now, is it S-H-E-E-T or S-H-E-A-T for the word sheet? Well, okay, I think it's EA. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover with my arrow until I see a plus sign with arrows on it. Once I see that, I can left click, keep your finger, don't unclick, and you're going to drag it into the middle of the word. Then you can unclick. There you have S-H-E-A-T. Wait a minute, I don't think that looks right. That's not how you spell sheet. All right, well, guess what? You can move the box back down. Again, hover until you see the plus sign with the arrows, left click, and drag back down. Then you can release your finger from clicking. Now I think, oh yeah, it's EE. That's how you spell sheet. Again, hover until you see the arrows with the plus sign, and you're going to left click, keep clicking until you get up into the middle, then you can release. S-H-E-E-T. Yes, that's how you spell sheet. All right, excellent. Then you're going to go to number 2, number 3, and number 4. Again, remember, hover until you see a plus sign, left click, then you can drag it, keep clicking. When you get it to where you want to go, you can release your finger. Now what happens, but say mistake, you ended up making the box bigger. Oh no. Or you erased a letter by mistake. Well, have no fear. You can go over to the right above where you see the first slide, and there is the bent backward arrow. That is the undo button. So if you happen to make a mistake, no worries, click it and watch what happens. Oh, there we go. It went back to the size as it was. So again, if you end up making a box too big or too small, or uh-oh, I deleted a letter by mistake, go on top of the first slide with the back bent arrow, click it, that's the undo button, and presto changeo, it is fixed. So then you're going to go ahead, click on slide number 3, and you will see the same directions just with new words. I'm sorry, that's slide number 4. Let me go back to number 3. Slide 3, and you're going to see 4 more words. And then you will see on slide 4, 4 more words, and the same directions for each. Now, it gets a little harder at times because there are words with more than one syllable. So be on the lookout. Which do you think would fit? Is it EE or EA? Now, the last thing you're going to do on slide 5 is that you're going to choose one of the long E words that you used, and you're going to write a sentence using that word. So the first word that we figured out, we'll go back to it, is the word sheet. So I'm going to use a sentence with the word sheet, and I can type right on the green box right here. All right, so here's my sentence using the word sheet. My mom said that I forgot to put the sheet on my bed. See how I typed it on there? I know you're going to have a great time coming up with your own sentence. Now, don't forget, boys and girls, that you need to use a capital to start your sentence and some kind of punctuation to end it. Again, my sentence, my mom said that I forgot to put the sheet on my bed. Sometimes that happens, right? We forget to do things. So again, what you're going to do today, boys and girls, is to have some practice with the long E vowel teams, deciding is it EE or EA? And then at the very end, you're going to write a sentence using one of the words that you solved. Now, after you're all done, don't forget to hit turn in so your teacher gets your wonderful work that you did. If you share it, she'll still see it, but it won't look like it's turned in. So don't forget to hit turned in. All right, have fun today, boys and girls. Bye.